third time now. How are you supposed to work like this? No warning again, no notice given, no permissions asked. Turn up, get the machine running out the back, they're cartering again, jet washing. It's mad. This has been going on for just 2 months now, 2 and a bit months. So if I had somebody booked in today, you know, I'd have to cancel because there's all sorts of shit being blown around outside. And no one's contacted me still either. So not a single contact to say sorry about this, or this has been done on this day, this has been done on this day. Nothing about the compensation for the stuff that was wrecked. Mixed feelings on this one. This one has properly messed with my head. What's gone on the last 2 or 3 months has, it's not been good for me. So, wasted a lot of money. Good times, bad times, but such is life. And that's done. Hi folks, I thought I would give you a bit of an update as to what's been going on at the workshop. It's been a while since I talked about this. A lot's been going on in the background, and that's resulted in the fact that we no longer have access to the unit, no longer have the unit. I would love to talk about things in more detail and let you know what's gone on and what happened and everything else. But it's in the hands of solicitors and legal people and everything at the moment, because of exactly how I've been treated, and what they've done and what's been going on there. So yeah, it's not been good. Aside from dealing with all that and everything else as well, it's just been really stressful, and it's not made me feel like I'm in the mood to make videos or anything else really, to be fair. So for the last couple of months it's been a bit shit, in all fairness. But like I say, the issue right now is we're no longer in the unit, and it's in the hands of, like I say, legal people, and because of that I can't talk about it, and I'm not going to put anything in the comments about it. And also, if anything in the comments does talk about it in a way that would be detrimental to the legal action that's going on, then obviously that needs to be removed from the comments as well. There may well be a time in the future when I talk about this, but for now, like I say, I've just had such a shitty couple of months or so that it's going to take a while to process it all and get past this and everything else. But I felt that there was a need to give you an update. Obviously, if you go to the website and try and book the workshop, there's no available dates, and now you know why. The website, as far as offering other services like the discounts and sales, like the 3D print camera mounts, stuff like that, that is still going to be offered. Right now there's no stock of anything because obviously we haven't got anywhere where I can set up a printer and print the mounts or anything like that. So I am looking into just, you know, finding somebody that can just set that up and get it going. As you found out last time, finding a unit was difficult enough. The costs for me to set up the unit and get all the equipment and everything else, it's not going to happen again, basically. So it was difficult enough to find it, and I haven't got that kind of money laying around to waste all over again. So that is where we're at with that one. Like I said, the website, hopefully within the next month or so, should be back up and running in regards to being able to order some of the items for sale. Memberships is the next thing I need to talk about. Obviously, the membership was a great idea for you to support us through the process of offering these services. And yeah, we need to talk about that. The problem that I've got is I've sent a few emails out offering people sort of pro rata refunds, and the kind of feedback I'm getting right now is don't be daft, John, don't be silly. You know, if it ever happens again, then great, but now don't worry about refunding me. The other flip side of this is I know from a lot of the comments in previous videos, a lot of people said they don't receive any of the emails that have been sent out, like the membership benefits and invites to meetups and stuff like that. So whilst I don't want you all to leave a comment down below saying I'm a member, let me know what you want, what I do want you to do is send me an email. If you are a member, obviously tell me your name and your email address that you registered the membership with, and just tell me in that email if you do want a pro rata refund. I kind of understand, again, the membership was never for the workshop. The membership was for sort of discounts and basically supporting us, because a lot of people say, you know, like you help out making the videos and you do how-to videos and all that kind of stuff, and therefore we wanted to help out. So it's a bit messy, for want of a better word. I think some people thought it granted them access to the workshop, which it didn't. But yeah, I don't want to get into all that at the moment. My life is stressful enough right now and has been for some months. But I am happy to discuss it with people over email if you want to do that. So yeah, my email address is in the video description down below, by the way. And I think that's where we're at. Like I say, it's it's been an experience, and yeah, I'm a firm believer in every experience counts. The good, the bad, the ugly, whatever, makes you who you are. And I'm not going to say it's character building or anything like that, but it allows you to I don't know, make hopefully better decisions in the future, or deal with things that happen in the future. So I'm not going to be a negative Nelly about it. It is what it is. Like I say, there are things that I would love to say that would make it possibly a lot clearer to you all what's gone on. There was obviously a lot of information in the previous video, but yeah, I'm just going to sort of let the solicitors do it, and that's what they've told me to say or not to say. So they're going to handle that, and that's that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I wholeheartedly apologize for the situation we're in, albeit that none of it is any of my doing. There we go. Such is life. But yeah, thanks for all your support on this journey we've been on this year, and it really means a lot. And yeah, we shall see where we get to in the future. I think without sort of like, getting all mushy or anything like that, aside from the fact that I can't financially set up all this kind of stuff as well again, I don't think I want to. It's ended up being something that I never imagined in a period of my life where there have been enough piles of shit that I've had to deal with, and I don't want to take on any more, to be fair. So yeah, that's where we're at, folks. Sorry about that. And yeah, I'll see you sometime soon. But like I say, for the time being, I just need to get over it, basically. So yeah, take care, folks. See you soon. Bye for now.